Alright, beautiful day. I don't know, the window's dirty. I'm trying to, yeah, you can't see it today. Usually you can see, it reflects off there. It's right there, it's dirty, but that's Elon's house. But it's a beautiful day, and it sucks that it's a beautiful day because now shit's starting to pop off in the market. We're actually just talking, saying there's so much news out right now. It's like there's so much, and finally that Ukraine stuff with Russia, I'm getting some of the news I needed for oil. Like I said, we gotta wait till something happens. But now I'm gonna talk about why Apple stock is going down, and it's literally happening right now as we speak. So I've made a video on this in the past. If you haven't seen those, go check them out, talking about everything, you know, with the supply chain. That was really killing them a lot, but now something just came out. I want to talk about that. Okay, if you guys are new too, you got to subscribe. You're joining a cult by just clicking on this video. You've already indicated to YouTube you want to be in a cult, so now you've been flagged. So you might as well subscribe and join the cult. But I love it. I love saying that every time. But with Apple right now, it's interesting because a whole nother thing came out, and it sucks because it drags down the market to a degree. You know, you could take a look. Here's the S&P 500, and you know it's coming down, but like Amazon's still kind of holding up. You know, Apple is breaking off and doing its own thing right now. But what happened? The department, was it the Department of Justice, or who? What was the agency? I think it was the Supreme Court. I think it was. I believe Supreme Court with their antitrust, and pretty much they're sympathizing with people suing Apple, this class action, essentially saying that Apple, you know, that these people have some sort of basis to sue Apple for like price fixing within the App Store and controlling stuff. Just the antitrust case. We've seen stuff with Google, and now this is interesting one for you guys to learn how this type of news affects stocks, again, both in the immediate term, watch how it plays out over the next coming days and coming weeks, and if you want to get a better idea, look at other issues that are similar. You know, not all court cases are going to be the same, but you're going to see stuff kind of show up similar with the reaction by the people, stocks, investors, so on and so forth. And the best example I could think of is Google. And, you know, they have some issues. I still think they're going to have some stuff come out, but now Apple's having supply chain issues. We're talking slowdown in growth. Now we're talking stuff with price fixing. We've seen their margins in the past go up. They've been making money off prices go up. That's an interesting part of their market, and that's the next thing. It's like, is that really going to affect Apple? The App Store's not their iPhone sales. However, any sort of pending litigation that could cost them money or set the precedent for something else or change their business model, you know, it means a lot, and that's why investors are selling off the stock. You know, it's not down so much. It is considerably, considering that we were up in the morning, but it's came down now, doing its thing. But this is going to be something to watch. So how this develops, I think news is going to just keep coming out. Even from the time I posted that video an hour ago, a lot of stuff has already changed. You know, we're getting data from manufacturing, some other Fed number data, economic data, all the way down to like GE's cut some plants. So we're seeing some stuff kind of happen now. Going to be interesting as this week progresses. But this move with Apple, I'm definitely going to be watching to see how this plays out. And I think there's going to, you know, it's going to create some volatility and a move either way, which is great for option traders. So love you guys. Hope you enjoy that. Make that quick and simple. Good luck. Stay in school. Do whatever you want.